All right, so these are some pre-racing festivities going on. We've got to put a radiator in one of the race cars. So here's a radiator. Here's the Grand Dam that's been dubbed the Grand Piss because it smells like rat piss. Fixed it with some little trees. Is this your van?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, are you gonna win?
Yeah.
Thinking about winning today?
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet. This is a pretty sweet van, bro.
Mm-hmm.
You got it all cleaned up for the race even, it looks like?
Yeah.
This is about what the inside of the Grand Prix looked like. Yeah, and it smells about the same. I think there's a mouse or two living in there. It's pretty funky.
How many channels you got?
The maroon monster. Ryan, do you know what you're doing over here?
Well, I know why the SERP belt failed.
Why? That is a brand spanking new one, isn't it?
Just had to put it on there.
Hot.
I wouldn't have no water pump without it.
Hot diggity. You're really investing in this race, aren't you?
Eric's like, go buy some tires and a battery. And
That's too much. No.
I'm just like,
no.
why?
No. If they hold air, that's all you need. You don't need any new tires.
I don't even give a fuck if they don't hold air.
It looks perfect to me. There's the Grand Cherokee that Cracker got for 500 bucks. It looks mint. That Envoy is what needs a radiator. That's what we're working on next. We even got stuff for the kids to do, but I'm gonna hit it up later. I think the issue's with the driver.
As we jump and we land down, front end down, and then we broke the front of the radiator off.
Oh, what's going on over here? You got a dick and balls on the back of it?
There's two. We got three of them.
Wow.
Oh my gotta have a penis on it.
Or three.
It's not a Shitbox Derby car without a dick drawn on the side.
And you can't see shit?
Yeah, we put a nice little eyebrow on the top. That is the start. Where did you start? I was trying to, Colton wouldn't let me.
Oh, wow, that's a sizable penis right there.
Oh yeah, I made sure.
That's a big one.
Look at the size of that.
Okay, when your phone gets really hot from recording videos, this is what you have to do. What are you looking for? Water?
No.
There's water right there. What do you want? You want a swift kick in the ass? I can give you that. That's what All right, what's going on over here?
Nothing. I was talking about my porn career.
Oh, let's hear about it.
It didn't ever happen.
Okay,
Never gonna
that
happen.
was it. All right.
I mean, there's some.
Was your career short?
It's a loaded question.
What are you doing up there, bud?
We're fixing her.
Do we have another?
Do you have all of the right adapters and whatnot? You do?
Plug that top hole.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, dude, it's
Dude, this is gonna work out. And if you slam on the brakes, you can clean the window. You need a hose clamp for that?
I got one.
You might not even need one. It's not gonna be under pressure.
Oh, we're gonna put it on there anyway. I mean, we got it. Might as well. That's 3/4 inches of straight pure freedom right there.
Straight pure.
Ooh, don't do that.
Be careful, dude.
That hurt a little bit.
You're gonna blow a sphincter or something.
Here, let me get in.
Are you gonna feed the 5-gallon bucket? Is that what your goal
I think
is?
so. I think if I do that and put some duct tape around her, she'll be mint.
I don't even think you need that, do you?
Or should I go right in the money hole?
How do you have this? Can you just plumb it into this?
Plumb it into what?
Because you're gonna try and not lose as much water just in the block, right? So can you just plumb that straight into the radiator?
Well, that's what I was trying to figure
Well,
out.
you need to be able to reduce it though.
Unless I drill this.
Just feed that.
That's kind of that's what I'm leaning.
Just get like some vice grips so when you're stopped, you could just vice grip this off,
Yeah, 'cause
and then
I
when
mean,
you
I
go, just open it.
Not like a. Can you reach this up in there?
Yeah.
Start filling her, bud.
All right, we gotta get up there. This is great video, dude. I could just feel it right now.
Good content.
Like I've been telling my buddies, like, so that rate that.
All right, we gotta fill our jug. It's gonna cool the drink. You got some ice grips to pinch that off?
Yeah, it's
You
gonna.
put it in so it's going into the bucket.
Yeah.
It's like a fucking still, bud.
You what?
It's like a fucking still, a whiskey still.
We gotta make sure it's very nice water getting into the radiator.
Need a filter in between?
I mean, I shouldn't run out.
I think I have a tube of silicone.
Oh, dude, it doesn't matter. That hose is like in there. It'll just. I'm gonna just pinch this off.
There's even a seat up here for if somebody wants to ride.
We got a saddle.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Throw a saddle up
I
there.
don't know if we should do that.
Ruth will ride it.
No.
She'll do it.
She'll do it.
I think this is.
The sad part is that probably.
What's going on over there? No shirt on? Sun's out, guns out, bro?
It's not really coming in very
Chivalry is not dead.
It's coming in.
Do something sexy for the camera.
Rick the guardrails go.
That's not very sexy.
It's a white t-shirt with the
We're gonna put this
You got 5
Can.
gallons overflowing.
in the trash can.
It's not.
You didn't
Right,
notice.
like,
All right, so here's our shit show. That's where the kitties are going, is over there.
no,
That's the car right there that's gonna win. That's the fucker right there that's going down. He's driving this hoopty that I'm standing on. This is his water tank.
Jacks are going to be in the sidewall of the tire. Goddamn shit!
Get it!
Stop it! Making a out of control!
I was hoping it was gonna crack the window.
So wearing sandals. Probably not. Do it again.
You need to tape that better.
I got your booster seat.
What is that?
It's a booster
Oh, is that the one that came out of the Grand Prix?
It's a booster seat.
actually, you know what?
Yeah, if it starts leaking, it's going to pull up the cab.
That might be kind of comfortable.
Did you waste the radiator?
No, the fucking hose popped off.
Really? Oh, just put that fucker back on and
I
fill it up.
know. I hit that jump real hard and I saw the water just spray on the windshield. I was like, oh, I just broke
Did it
the
push?
radiator.
It pushed all this up. Look how high that is. That's probably why it pulled the radiator off.
The hose off. Dude, if it didn't fuck the radiator itself up, oh, there might be a hole right there.
I think I got this. That's how it's done, boys and girls. What are you doing over here? You're welding more stuff?
I'm gonna fix my tie rod right now.
Oh, did it break?
Yeah.
Oh, it's folded up pretty good, it looks like. Fix her right on up there, bud.